In this example, we're going to be looking at the number of vacation days used by a sample of 20 employees in a recent year. And the CEO of the company states that it's safe to assume that the data follows a normal model. We're going to investigate that. I've already entered this data into list 1, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is just set up my statistics plots, and we're going to use that to see exactly what this histogram looks like. We won't graph it by hand. So I'm going to go to second y equals, then you can hit enter. My plot is turned on here. You can see that because it's highlighted. And then also, let's say that maybe you had the scatter plot highlighted here. You want to cursor over to the histogram and then hit enter, and it'll go right to that histogram for you. My data is entered in list 1. If yours is in a different list, you'll want to change that right there. Then we can just hit zoom and 9. So if you hit zoom 9, we can see that the data set looks like this. The data set looks kind of like that. It looks like it's skewed to the right. Looks like there's some outliers over here. This data really isn't symmetric. We'd want to see that peak more in the middle, and then the left side to be approximately the same as the right side. But we can see that that's really not the case here. That kind of has a tail over to the right here. So we're going to answer the question of part B here. Is it reasonable to assume that the data follows a normal model? We would say no. It's skewed right, meaning also that it's not symmetric. Can't be symmetric if it's skewed.